Volatility here. Full disclosure, I have a bet against Nvidia. It's gone against me pretty hardcore this year. Don't bet against it.
Are you stupid? This is the hottest tech stock that has ever existed in the history of the stock market. And you're shorting this? You're dumb.
Just your job. I regret doing that because it went up. But at the same point, it's, well, actually, I don't regret it. The bottom line is...
No, you regret shorting Nvidia stock, bro.
It's going to be a tough go, but my bets are for over 2 years from now, so I'm willing to wait for this parabolic rise to come down.
His bets are for over 2 years ago. Look at the stock price, $4.99, and at the recording of this video, it was November. This was their last earnings. $4.99 in November. He hasn't bought out for 2 years. Do you want to know what Nvidia's price is? Man, it's $721, guys. Nvidia stock price. This guy shorted the hottest stock that has ever existed in the $721. And he bought these shorts at $4.99. And he was actually already losing. And he was down at $4.99. So Lord knows when he bought them. If he bought them at $400, he bought them back last year in May when they did that parabolic run from $300 to $400. Who knows, bro? Look at these comments. Look at these comments, man. This guy shorted Nvidia around 275, 325. You know, it could have been last year. You have to admire him for actually being somewhat coherent. Yeah, look at this. He is getting his balls crushed, and he could still talk in full sentences. Honestly, that's crazy. Getting your balls crushed that hard and being able to talk in sentences. Damn. This guy is crazy. You know, he actually lost some of his brother's money. There's a whole other video you could, if you guys want to check on that, look, put everything up here, everything money, and you guys are going to see the whole story. But you know what? Let's keep going on. I'm going to show you guys what this clown did.
Mo, what are you seeing in the press release?
Basically, there's a lot of talk about AI.
A lot of talk about AI.
That's really what it is.
Of course.
Of course. Of course. Hey, bruh, we're in the AI revolution. We're in the AI bubble. Do you not understand what's going on? Like, this guy's a clown. Look at this.
Already at 492. It literally hit a low, Mo, of 474, and now it's up $20 more. Incredible, the volatility here.
Gross margins
hoping it go
from
down
70% last quarter to...
Now they're talking about the financials, bro. And look at this. Look at this. I got the good part. So look at this, what he says here.
This volatility. Literally, guys, in the last few minutes, it has gained and lost about 5%, 7%.
Okay.
All right. So they're going to have a call. They're going to go through some things, and I'm sure they'll say some things that are going to be positive. We don't know. The question is, guys, remember, it is possible that this company could absolutely crush numbers for the next 10 years and still not do well with stocks.
Are you stupid? So this company is going to be crushing earnings quarter after quarter for the next 1, 2, 3 years, 2024, 2025, 2026, and it's only going to get stronger, 2027. And you're shorting this? Bro, you're stupid as fuck. I'm going to be honest. And just because they did it in the 2000s, man, we got money in the economy right now that was not around in the 2000s, bro. And especially with these fucking powerhouses.
That's the thing we saw back in the 2000 crash, right? We saw companies that have not hit their previous numbers, even though their revenue and profit are multiple times greater now than they were back.
Revenue and profit. Yeah, we'll get into that now, bro.
In 2000.
So we did this last time. What is your over-under guess for how many times they say AI on the call this afternoon?
113. I'll take over.
Okay, mine's 70. Oh, mine's 76.
Talking about the earnings.
I'm gonna say over that.
So you're gonna say under. You're gonna say between 76 and 113.
Now watch this.
Okay. Somewhere in the middle.
I'm gonna say $1 billion. What they did.
This is where they start talking about the financials and the revenues, bro. Oh man.
Oh no. But guys, look at this. How did it crush revenue and profit? That is.
It's all.
So it's positive.
Look at this. Watch right here.
How
expectations? Think about this. 2 quarters ago, it did $7 billion.
Now,
today, it's doing 18.
And next quarter, it's to do 20.
Come on, that's insane.
Come on. Mind you, this video was from November. Come on. 2 quarters ago, $7 billion. Now this quarter, $18 billion. And now in 2 weeks, they were supposed to report $20 billion. Yes, you fucking retards. And it's going to get even stronger. I think this thing is going to maintain at 20, 21, 22 billions. And then going to have $25 billion quarters and $30 billion quarters. What the fuck are you talking about, you clowns? Oh, man, let's replay that again, bro. I could be wrong, but I think Nvidia is going to freaking data center. It's going to be like this. Revenue is going to be through the roof, man, these few coming years. What are these clowns talking about? Shorting the hottest tech stock that has ever existed, bro.
How did it crush revenue and profit, and it's not up a ton?
And not even just crush expectations. Think about this. 2 quarters ago, it did 7 billion.
Now,
Today,
yeah.
it's doing 18.
And next quarter it's supposed to do 20.
Come on. That's insane.
Yeah, bro. It's still, yeah, we're still doing little numbers, to be honest. 20 billion. Yeah, it looks like a lot of you. Wait till they do double that. And they have a freaking, I'm not going to say 40 billion, but they're going to be doing 20, 25, and they're even going to get a $30 billion quarter, 2026, 2027, boy. And
Like, if you were to tell me,
that's all.
what would the earnings report?
If you told me that earnings report this morning,
100%, I'd say this thing's
exited my short.
skyrocketing.
Look at that. So if you would have told me that was the earnings this morning, I would have exited. Not shit. You gambled the earnings, guy. And you know this is a company that's going to keep progressing for the next 10 years. You got to be a clown.
What would the earnings report?
If you told me that earnings report this morning,
100%,
I
I'd say
would
this
have
thing's
exited my short.
skyrocketing.
I'd been like, I'm out.
Yeah,
out.
it has potential to go to $600 a share.
Yeah. I'm like,
Potential to go to 600. Boy, that was 4 months ago. Yeah, it went to 600 in a heartbeat and 700, bro. But he closed his position. So if you guys look at Everything Money, there's a few videos on this, guys, that are going to be really good. Look, I'm giving some shout outs right here to this one from Echoes from above. And I got another one from a few months ago around here. It should be somewhere here. Look, this one right here is really good too. Everything Money, Paul Grabau from Strongman. So, yeah, these videos are good. And if you want to see a little bit more on the story, that's what I think. And then now let's look at some of the charts for Nvidia stock, guys. Because this stock is at $721. This stock does not stop. So $721. And honestly, we could do everything from the 5 minute. Let's see where it could be going for the next week. So for a move down, look to break obviously 720. And if we break 720, look to be coming down 720. We're going to have to see if we defend this $712 level. So if we break 720, it looks to be coming all the way down to 712. And if we break 712, watch for a retest of $700, guys. So yeah, that's what I have for down. And then if we give up 700, we're going to have to see how we react there. So right now, just watch for 720, 712, and 700. And now for the bull case, honestly, we're going to have to keep throwing psychological levels, guys. We're going to see if Nvidia wants to break this 730. So dang, I was going to say 725, but honestly, we have to throw 730 and see how we react to 730, honestly. And if we could break through 730, Lord knows where we're going to keep going. We're going to gun for 750, to be honest. So I would have 730 and see how we react to 730, and then 730 after that, 750, honestly. That's all I could think of. It's going to be in the hands of earnings. We already know that. So that's all I have for the next coming week. I will be coming out tomorrow with another Nvidia video. That one's going to be more technical analysis based. This one today was just to show off those Nvidia crybabies, those Nvidia clowns. And that's all I have for you guys today. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.